هم للطريق مشاعل الأنوار، هم للنسيم عبيره الفوار، هم قادة رفعوا التميز راية، هم في العزيمة همة الأنصار. هم للطريق مشاعل الأنوار، هم للنسيم عبيره الفوار، هم قادة رفعوا التميز راية، هم في العزيمة همة الأنصار. لبناء جيل رائد بسلاحه علما وروحا للتقدم جاري، لبناء جيل رائد بسلاحه علما وروحا للتقدم جاري، وبمنهج شرب الأصالة منهما ذاك الكتاب وسنة المختار، ذاك الكتاب وسنة المختار. هم للطريق مشاعل الأنوار، هم للنسيم عبيره الفوار، هم قادة رفعوا التميز راية، هم في العزيمة همة الأنصار. هم للطريق مشاعل الأنوار، هم للنسيم عبيره الفوار، هم قادة رفعوا التميز راية، هم في العزيمة همة الأنصار. ولهم بأخلاق الكرام مآثر يروونها بتواتر الأخبار، ولهم بأخلاق الكرام مآثر يروونها بتواتر الأخبار. ناد له من كل حقل سهرة بحر العلوم وأنهر الأفكار.
Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, we are going to study today, inshallah, Unit 5. And be careful, listen carefully, look with me at the board carefully, and you will enjoy studying this unit with me, inshallah. Welcome, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, المجمعة Directorate of Education. English for Saudi Arabia, Term 1, Unit 5, Lesson 1. First, pay attention to the aims of Lesson 1. Number 1, you will discuss the solar system, or we will discuss the solar system. Number 2, we will practice listening to a conversation. Number 3, discuss the sky at night. We will discuss the sky at night. Look here at this picture. I want to ask you a simple question about this picture. What can you see here? Yes, you. The sun. What else? I can see bodies, some bodies here around the sun. Can you tell me what are these? Yes, we can see some bodies around the sun. What do we call these bodies, students? What's this? What do we call this body? And that one, what do we call them? Yes, we call them planets. We call them planets. I have here more than one planet. Small planet and a big planet. We have different sizes of planets. Like what do we call the sun and the planets around? Yes, what do we call them? We call them the solar system. The solar system. So the solar system means the sun and the planets. If I ask you another question, what's in the center of the solar system? What's in the center? This body in the center? No. That one? No. The sun, yes, the sun is in the center of the solar system. What's the sun? Yes, tell me, what's the sun? The sun is a star. The sun is a star. This will help you to understand something. If it is a star, what does a star do? What does a star do? What's this? What can you see this? This is light. This is light. The sun here gives light. The sun gives light. The word give here for light, we can use another word for give light. Radiates light. The sun radiates light. If a body gives light, we can say it produces light. You know, produces light or radiates light. So the sun or stars in general radiate light. So the sun as a star radiates light. Look at the planets. What's number one? The first planet is called Mercury. Yes, Mercury. Repeat after me. Mercury. Venus. Yes, Venus. Earth. Mars. Yes, Earth. Mars. Jupiter. Yes, that one is called Saturn. Yes, Saturn. Uranus. Yes, Uranus. Neptune. Yes, Neptune. And the last one is called Pluto. Yes, if I ask you, how many planets here do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 planets around the sun. All these planets do not radiate light. What do? They reflect light. The sun sends light and the planets reflect or send back light. Yes, what do planets do? They orbit the sun. They orbit the sun. يبقى a planet orbits the sun. A planet orbits the sun. And a planet does not radiate light, but it reflects light. تعكس الضوء. We say reflect, تعكس, and radiates means تشع or تنتج الضوء. Yes, we talked about planets and the sun here, the sun as a star, and the planets. We have another bodies like the moon and satellites. What's the moon here? The moon is a satellite. Unit 1 here is about Earth and its neighbors. We will go now to another information. Yes, here we have some missing parts. I want you to complete. What's the solar system? Look here. The solar system means the sun and the planets. Number 2. There are So the solar system means the sun and the planets. Go now to number 2. There are planets around the sun. Yes, tell me, how many planets around the sun? Yes? 9 planets around the sun. Yes, there are 9 planets around the sun. Number 3. Do you remember we talked about stars? I want someone of you to tell me what are stars. Yes? Stars are things like the sun that produce or send out light. Produce or send out light. تشع الضوء. We have here the word radiate. What's the meaning of radiate? We said the sun radiates light. In English, radiate means produce or send out light. Can you tell me in Arabic the meaning of the word radiate? Radiate means to share. In English we can say means produce or send out light. The word bright means to have a lot of light. لامع, bright, means to have a lot of light. It means bright. In Arabic, لامع. Number 6, the word reflect. We said planets reflect light. Reflect means to send back light. Yes, if you hold the mirror and put it in front of the sun, the mirror will reflect light. تعكس الضوء. In English we say means to send back light. We have here 3 words. I want you to give me a simple meaning of these. These 3 words. Number 7, a galaxy. A galaxy is a very large group of stars. A very large group of stars. The word universe means stars, planets, and everything. In Arabic we can say universe, al-kawn. Everything means stars, planets, and everything. Number 9, the word orbit. What do we mean by the word orbit? Orbit means go around. Orbit means go around. Here, Shabab, you are going to listen to a conversation. Yes, a student is asking his teacher about the sky at night. Listen carefully to answer these 2 questions, A and B. Answer the following questions as you listen to the conversation.
English for Saudi Arabia. Secondary English 5. Recording 10. Unit 5, Lesson 1. The sky at night.
Stars, planets, and the moon all shine at night. Why do they all shine?
Well, there are different reasons. Stars, like the sun, produce and radiate their own light. On the other hand, planets, like Earth, and their satellites, like our moon, do not have their own light. Planets and satellites only reflect light.
You say stars radiate their own light, but the moon only reflects light. So why is the moon brighter than the stars?
The moon is brighter because it is much closer to us than the stars. The stars are really very far away.
If you look in the sky at night, you can often see a lot of stars. How many stars are there in the sky?
Well, scientists say there are 100 billion stars in our galaxy, but we can only see some of them.
What does galaxy mean?
A galaxy is a very large group of stars. There are millions of galaxies in the universe, but we aren't able to see them.
Do you think life exists anywhere else in the universe?
I don't know. Nobody can know for sure.
Yes, who reads question A? Yes? Is light from stars and light from planets the same? Do you know the same? The same, نفس الشيء. Letter B, what is a galaxy? If you remember, we talked about galaxy. What is a galaxy? Yes, is light from stars and light from planets the same? No, it is not. What is a galaxy? Yes? It is a very large group of stars. Galaxy is a very large group of stars. Now, Open your book on page 53. Listen again. A student is asking his teacher about the sky at night to find the answers to these questions.
English for Saudi Arabia. Secondary English 5. Recording 10. Unit 5, Lesson 1. The sky at night.
Stars, planets, and the moon all shine at night. Why do they all shine?
Well, there are different reasons. Stars, like the sun, produce and radiate their own light. On the other hand, planets, like Earth, and their satellites, like our moon, do not have their own light. Planets and satellites only reflect light.
You say stars radiate their own light, but the moon only reflects light. So why is the moon brighter than the stars?
The moon is brighter because it is much closer to us than the stars. The stars are really very far away.
If you look in the sky at night, you can often see a lot of stars. How many stars are there in the sky?
Well, scientists say there are 100 billion stars in our galaxy, but we can only see some of them.
What does galaxy mean?
A galaxy is a very large group of stars. There are millions of galaxies in the universe, but we aren't able to see them.
Do you think life exists anywhere else in the universe?
I don't know. Nobody can know for sure.
Question A. Yes. Does the moon reflect light? Does the moon reflect light? Yes, it does. Letter B. What does a satellite do? Yes, who can answer? Yes. It orbits a planet. C. Yes, you read C. Is the sun a star? Is the sun a star? Yes, it is. Okay, yes, it is. Letter D. Yes, you answer letter D. Read first. Does a star radiate or reflect light? Yes, very good. A star radiates light. Let's complete. Letter E. Why are stars not as bright as the moon? Why? Yes? Yes, very good. Because they are further away. Stars are further away. Letter F. Yes, Shabab, my friends. Letter F. Yes, you read letter F. Are there billions of stars in our galaxy? Are there billions of stars in our galaxy? Yes? Yes, there are. Yes, there are. There are billions of stars in our galaxy. Let's go to letter G. It's a very simple question. Yes, you? How many galaxies are there in the universe? How many galaxies are there in the universe? Yes? 1, 2, 3. How many? Let's see. Yes, very good. There are millions. There are millions. Letter H. Very simple questions, as you see. Letter H. Can we see the other galaxies? Can we see them? Very good. No, we can't. No, we can't. Number 3, discussion. Yes, I want you to give me simple answers if you know. Do you think that life exists in other planets? Yes. I am not sure if life exists in other planets. Maybe yes or maybe no. But in my opinion, I think it's no. After we talked about this question, this general question, I can tell you that we came to the end of lesson 1.